Hey there, I'm Intan Maranresy. I am one of the students at UNSRAT from MIPA faculty with Information System as the study program. My student ID number is 221,011,060,092. Okay people, today we are going to talk about logic in computer. Before that, what is logic and what is computer? And then, how come they be logic in computer? Since the 1800s, logic has been studied in the field of mathematics and now also in the field of computer science, because logic also influences computer science in the fields of hardware and software. The science of logic was first developed around 300 BC by Aristotle and is known as traditional logic or classical logic. 2000 years later, modern logic was developed by George Boole and De Morgan, which is called symbolic logic because it uses logical symbols intensively. On the 19th century, a number of ideas necessary for the invention of the computer were in the air. The potential benefits to science and industry, specific methods to make automated calculation more practical, and experience with both analog and digital devices had shown some of the benefits of each approach. When computers became electronic, the binary system was particularly appropriate because an electrical circuit is either on or off. This meant the on could represent true, off could represent false, and the flow of current would directly represent the flow of logic. Basically, logic is about formalizing language and reasoning, and computer science addresses similar problem with the extra task. This, indeed, has led to the recent use of computer science for investigating logics in an experimental way, exploring some of them much more thoroughly than was possible when the computer was a person rather than a machine. While computer science is increasingly influencing people's daily lives through computer technology, discussing the philosophy of computer science is considered out of date from a practical perspective. However, computer science would not have gained ground if not for the encouragement of mathematics, where philosophy, as mathematics' twin, has played a role in deepening and expanding its study through possible principles for achieving that well-being. The question in the thinking of computer scientists in making life easier is complexity, and algorithms are always the answer. Computer science, the study of computers and computing, including their theoretical and algorithmic foundations, hardware and software, and their uses for processing information. Computer science applies the principles of mathematics, engineering, and logic to a plethora of functions, including algorithm formulation, software and hardware development, and artificial intelligence. Propositional logic is central to the design of computer hardware because hardware is usually designed with components having two voltage levels that are assigned to the symbols 0 and 1. Definition: the symbol used to construct formulas in propositional logic are 1, an unbounded set of symbols called atomic propositions, often shortened to atoms. Atom will be denoted by lowercase letters in the set P, Q, R, possibly with subscripts. 2. Boolean operators. Their names and the symbols used to denote them are. And now we have reached the end of this video. Thanks a bunch for watching. I would like to express my sincere gratitude for your time.